everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Adventure series line by Level 8. It comes in the 28, 24, and 20 inches. So let's take a look. Briefly going over some specs, there are a few colors to choose from. You have your standard black along with some limited edition combinations. These come in three sizes. The first is the 20-inch carry-on. Its dimensions are 21.3 by 15.4 by 10.2. It weighs in at 9 pounds, 45 liter capacity, and it's expandable to 50 liters. The second is a 24-inch. This is a checked version. Its dimensions are 26.4 by 17 by 12.6, and it weighs in at 11.5 pounds. 74 liter capacity and expandable to 81 liters. And finally, you have the 28-inch, also a checked version, coming in at 29.5 by 17.3 by 14.2 inches, and it weighs in at 13.9 pounds, 96 liter capacity, and it's expandable to 105 liters. The Luggage have a front side lid opening design, a deep capacity, wide handle, TSA lock, 360-degree wheels, and the exterior is German-made Macrolon polycarbonate, and the interior is 100% rPET recycled polyester. Now let's take a closer look. Here is a 20-inch carry-on. You have the branding on the top, and it has a hard polycarbonate shell all around. The handles are on the top and also on the side. And you have the combination lock, which is also TSA approved. You have a wide telescoping handle in the back with two adjustment height levels. And on the side, you also have the zipper, which you can expand the capacity to 50 liters, giving you an additional 5 liters. Just unzip like so. Taking a look at the inside, just pull the lock like so to unzip and then open the lid. You can see the lid has the branding inside along with the big pocket. The bottom section, you have the compression straps, which also has additional pockets for storage. Unclipping the straps, you can see there's ample amount of space below, along with the polyester lining throughout. You also have a storage pocket on the sidewall. Again, this is expandable by just unzipping, and you can see the wheels that rotate 360 degrees. Onto the 24-inch version, same style throughout, and you have the branding on the front. Hard polycarbonate shell all around. You have the handles on the side and also on the top. It has a wide telescoping handle with two adjustment heights, and the expansion zipper in the middle, which adds another 7 liters of capacity. Opening is simple, just pull on the lock and unzip the lid. You can see the branding is on the lid along with the big zipper pouch on the top. You can fully extend the lid as well by just unclipping the straps on each side. The bottom portion, you have the compression straps with some large pockets for storage as well. Smooth lining inside, and you have the additional pocket on the sidewall. In the bottom, you can see the 360-degree wheels. And finally, here's a look at the 28-inch version, the largest in the Adventure line. Same design throughout as the smaller versions, branding on the front and the hard polycarbonate shell all around. You have the handles on the top and on the side, and you have the combo lock. Nice wide handles with two adjustment levels, and the zipper on the side, which allows you to expand an additional 9 liters. Opening the lid, the theme is maintained throughout. Nice branding on the top of the lid with a large storage pouch as well. And you can unclip the strap on each side to open further as mentioned. Nice large pouches for the compression strap, which gives you additional storage, and the bottom half is deep with plenty of space and additional pocket on the sidewall. And again, you can unzip the side and you get an additional 9 liters. And the bottom has a 360 wheels. The luggage are light and easy to navigate with the wide handles, which are a plus, and the wheels are very smooth as you can see here. Weight-wise, they are pretty light when empty. Taking some weight measurements, you can see that the 20-inch comes in at roughly 9.2 pounds. The 24-inch comes in at roughly 11.7, and the 28-inch comes in at 13.2 pounds. So there you have it. That's a look at the Level 8 Adventure Luggage series. It comes in 3 sizes, 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch. The main feature is the front side lid design. I have left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.